Today in the online class session of accountancy, I am explaining you question based on the topic explained to you till now, accounting for issue of debentures considering the terms and conditions of redemption, that is redemption of debentures. Now, based on all the 6 cases explained to you, today I am explaining you one question number 26, which also came in CBSE board exam 2016. Question is, KTR Limited issued 365 9% debentures of rupees 1000. The face value of debentures here is 1000 rupees, and these debentures were issued on March 4, 2016. Right. Keep in mind the face value of debenture is 1000 rupees. Now, pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following situations. The very first case I am explaining you here. When debentures were issued at par, par means at face value, which is 1000 rupees, redeemable at a premium of 10%. Redeemable means debentures are taken back from the debenture holders, and the repayment which is done to the debenture holders is at a premium of 10%, means extra amount is paid to debenture holders, which is a loss for the company. Let us calculate the premium, that is 10% on the face value, 1000 rupees. 1000 multiplied by 10%, just remove 10 from 1000 rupees, you will get its 10%. So the premium on redemption debentures is rupees 100. So 100 will be the loss at the time of redeeming the debentures, whose effect is to be shown in the due entry of application and allotment joint entry. Okay. In the application and allotment joint entry passed for the due case, we will be indicating the loss due to premium on redeeming the debentures. Now, the very first entry to be passed here in the very first case is bank account debit to 9% debentures application and allotment account. Here we need to write the amount which we are going to receive while issuing the debentures at par. Par means face value. Face value is 1000 rupees. Okay. And the debentures are issued at par or at face value. Then the calling value per debenture will be how much? 1000 rupees. 365 debentures are there, and while calculating the amount to be written in front of 9% debenture application and allotment account, we need to multiply number of debentures, that is 365, by the issue price per debenture, or say the calling value per debenture. Okay. Right, we will get the amount 365 multiplied by 1000, that is 3,65,000. Now the due entry already told to you. This case is issued at par and redeemable at premium. Issued at par, redeemable at premium. This is the fourth case I explained to you while explaining the topic accounting for issue of debentures considering the terms and conditions of redemption. Okay, right? This is the fourth case. In the fourth case, the journal entry which I told you was 9% debenture application allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures. You can verify the journal entry from case number 4 which I explained to you. Okay, right? See, the case number 4 which I explained to you was this: issued at par, redeemable at premium. The journal entry, the very first journal entry to be passed was and bank account debit to X% debenture application allotment account, and the second entry which was needed to be passed is 9X% debenture application allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to X% to premium on redemption of debentures. The same journal entry we have passed here in this case. Okay, now in order to write the amount in front of application allotment account, already I told to you, we need to multiply debentures by calling value. Okay, debentures here are 365 and calling value per debenture is 1000. We will get the answer 3,65,000. Loss on issue of debentures was of rupees 100. This loss is due to premium on redemption of debentures. Okay, so the same amount will be written in front of these both the postings. Okay, right? Loss on issue of debentures rupees 100. Number of debentures was 365. Resultantly, we will get the answer 36500. That is 36,500. 9% debentures account. In order to calculate the amount to be written in front of 9% debentures account, we need to multiply debentures by face value. Okay, the face value per debenture is rupees 1000. Number of debentures is 365. Okay, 3,65,000. And premium on redemption of debenture in front of this, we have to write the same amount which is written in front of loss on issue of debentures. Okay, right? So this is the solution of case first, question number 26 in your book. Okay, try to solve case B of the same question. Okay, when debentures were issued at 6% discount, redeemable at 5% premium. As a homework, just try this case. Okay, and try to solve the previous question, question number 25. Question number 25. Try to solve this question also. And if any query, any problem is there, you can get the solution of your problem. Okay, right? So